Focus Carding Show. It's your bro Titus, and today I'm opening this Forces of Nature GX Premium Collection Box. It comes with this Landers pin, this Landers coin, this Thunders GX, and this Tornadius GX. Plus, this jumbo card featuring all 3 legendary Storm Pokemon on it. And of course, 6 booster packs. Now let's take a closer look at this box. So guys, here is the jumbo card. Its move is Be Legendary, 1000 damage. That's cuckoo. And there is the Landers pin. Plus this cool looking Landers coin. And of course, there's the Thunders GX. Its GX move can do up to 400 damage. That's why I'm making a new lightning deck based on this Thunders GX. And this Tornadius GX, which I'm going to put it in the same deck as my Thunders GX. Its GX move blows away all energy from your opponent's active Pokemon, plus 130 damage. Here's a code card for you guys. And here are the packs. I'm going to start with this Evolutions. So I hope I can get an EX or something. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3. We start off with a Blastoise Spirit Link, Misty's Determination, Poliwhirl, Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, Charmander, Delete, Magikarp, the strongest Pokemon. And the rare is a Mega Venusaur EX secret rare, I think. I think it's a secret rare because of the gold around it, but it's not full of what. Where's that? Nope, never mind. It's 2 out of 8. 1 8. Next pack, Sun and Moon with a Primarina on it. Bad luck, guys. Here's a code. 1, 2, 3, 4. We start off. Sorry guys. Start off with Electric Energy, XP Share, Spinda, Lily, Eevee, Crabrawler, Marini, Alolan Diglett, Dewpider, Eevee Reza, Stoutland. Next pack, Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. The older packs to me seem to be easier to open. Bad luck, guys. Let's see what reverse holo we can get. Here's the code. We start off with a Grass Energy, Field Blower, Gothorita, Energy Recycler, Trubbish, Whalmer, Talon, Phantom, Cast Form. Apparently it can turn into a different kind of cast form, like a sun cast form or something. Then we have a Politoed. And the rare is a Pangoro. Pack number 3, let's see what we can get. Ooh, bad luck. But let's see what reverse holo we can get. Here's the code. We start off with a Fairy Energy, Counter Catcher, Haunter, Sea of Nothingness, Staryu, Punkaboo, Stuffle, it's very cute, Alolan Geodude, Cacnea, Amalga Reverse Holo, that's super cute. And the rare is a Octillery. Second to last pack. Forbidden Light. So even if I get a bad luck, I might have a chance of getting a Prism Star card. Ooh, bad luck. But I can maybe pull a Prism. Here's the code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. You start off with a Fire Energy, Dedenne, Go-Go, Floette, Gumi, Inkay, Scatterbug, Jupiter, Skiddo, Noibat Reverse Holo Rareza, Heatran. Last pack, guys. Let's open some last pack magic. Bad luck, guys, but maybe we can still pull Prism. Oh, I forgot to show the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, yeah. Start off with a Psychic Energy. Lysander Labs, Dedenne, Go-Go, Noibat, Skiddo, Pancham, Fennekin, Jupiter, Tyranitar Reverse Holo Rareza, Lycanroc. Well, that's a good rare because that's my favorite Pokemon, actually. Here's my summary, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. There is my Thundurus GX, my Tornadus GX, and my poll of the day, Mega Venusaur EX Ultra Rare. Thank you for watching. This is Titus signing out. Peace!